Man, bro, you wasn't lying. 20 minutes, you said.
The hard part is vacuuming all the glass.
Right. Getting into little corners and everything.
Yes. Oh, you know, you got a small crevice, and when you close the door, you see how it ends up here? Because you got drain holes.
Right.
So like,
I know that's going to happen for a little minute.
Yeah, the glass that I can't get is in the crevice.
Yeah.
And it's just a matter of closing the small particles that'll fall off the bottom. If I was to close it right now, you know.
No, I know. Yeah.
But I'm gonna get as much of it out.
Yeah.
I possibly can.
Yeah, I got an older Corvette that I got from a friend of mine, and he had somebody had broke the window. We're talking years ago, and you know the car's been vacuumed out tons of times. And when I got it, and then I was going through it and doing some stuff and cleaning it out, I was finding little bitty pieces. You just, you know, unfortunate when you talking about the glass breakage, it takes a while to get it off.
Yeah. You still got that Corvette?
Yep, parked in storage. Yeah, I drive it summertime. It's an 82, last of the C3 series.
Ooh.
Yeah, blue silver. Put it in the room. I didn't get to. Don't worry about it. I didn't get to start. It's my daughter.
Oh, hey, Sean.
I didn't get to start cooking kite because he pulled up literally like when you. Yeah, he says he's fast. He says 20 minutes.